there's no way you can be successful in a business. I've not been in any other business other than athletics or college football, but I can't imagine doing it alone. And sometimes you tend to be a lone wolf in this world where you deal with, 50,000 people well, not 50,000. I'd love to say 50,000, 30,000, or 18,000, but it takes a whole lot of people to move you forward. And I have had a lot of great people. But again, I go back to Alice Mason. Here's a lady that was just one of the greatest pioneers and did everything, and she molded it. She was very helpful. She was very mentoring, and she kind of pushed me along. Rossi Rollencounter was another. He's the Chief Executive Officer of the Las Vegas Visitors and Convention Authority. He was the first Executive Director of the Las Vegas Bowl, and I worked under him and with him, and he turned the reins over to me. I wouldn't have been able to do what I did for 12 years with ESPN in Las Vegas without Rossi's help, without Brad Rothermill's help. And then Neil Smatras, who, when I came back to UNLV, said, would you like to go over to athletics and help me while I go out and find a replacement for the AD that just stepped down? And Neil Smatras took a chance on a local gal. Neil Smatras, who is now president at North Texas, said, go over and mind the store. But so Neil gave me this opportunity. So I'm very, very grateful. There's not a day that goes by that I'm not appreciative of everybody that's helped me get into this. And today I had a wonderful lunch with two business people in town, and they're old friends. We grew up together. Two of us are alumni. And we sit there and talk about the state of UNLV athletics, and it kind of feels like you're sitting in your living room, and it's really, really comfortable, but I'm very grateful for that.